So this message is basically just me doing cards just for healing, seeing what's going on in the energy around me. And hopefully this might be confirmation for someone. So let's see. Health warnings. Oh. Putting poison in water. Is this something that I'm putting in my water to drink? Is this coffee? Is this somebody else? Damn. So, is this a warning? Health warning? Putting poison. Is this for me? Is this So be careful about your water or your drinks. I don't know. Justice is on your side. FBI. There was an ad put out for someone in the yes card, like a ad to Ufium. That's what I call it. You could have an aunt helping you, protecting you from the spirit realm. Madeline could be significant. Herbert or Senior could be significant. You could have a grandfather protecting you from the spirit realm, guiding you. You could be seeing his numbers also. Undercover fell on top of FBI. So that could be an undercover FBI or FBI that's undercover dealing with a ad, because it's all laying on top of each other. So maybe, females at work. Damn. So there's the health card. Justice is on your side. Warning, something about poison and water. Undercover FBI about a hitman ad in the yes card. Females at work. And a grandfather and an aunt protecting you, guiding you from the spirit realm. A proposal. Under witness protection, or you could be moved to be put under witness protection, or you could be moving or just moved. You're not going to jail for or being arrested for anything. Be careful, because people could be trying to scare you into thinking you're going to jail, or 317, 318 could be significant. It's not happening, no matter what they do or how they come up with something. It says warning me, not bad, just letting you know. And that fell on top of not going to jail or being arrested for anything. It's like a good warning, not bad. Scorpio card came out, and it fell on top of move to a house under witness protection. Train horns. That's my confirmation card. You could be around train horns, hearing a lot of train horns. The train horns could drive you absolutely crazy sometimes. 401, 402. I'm going to leave it at that. Hopefully this helps someone.